Back in the days, the main use of radio was to broadcast news in different parts of the world. Then came the era for music, which brought forward music lovers, giving people a chance to find the musical color of their choice by listening to various broadcasting stations. With the birth of the internet, things changed for good. As time went by, radio sets were replaced by computers, followed by smartphones and tablets. The current generation loves mobility and technology advancement. Hence, apart from a regular radio broadcast, online streaming, and podcast came into existence. While the number of people accessing and streaming music has increased drastically with time, there are still some services which are still not known to many. One such service is called Bitrot. Bitrot is not just any other online streaming service. But what makes them unique is that this is built around the blockchain ecosystem. Meaning not only you get to hear 30,000 plus radio stations from all over the world, but you also get to earn Bro coins for the time you spend streaming online. Every second you stream your favorite radio station, you earn activity points which are then converted to Bro coins. Every hour, 120 Bro coins are distributed among the users who are listening to music. While we cannot deny that blockchain is evolving, things like this bring the music and the audience together. We can easily stream radio station off of our smartphone, computer, or even smart TV. It also has a player for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Not only this, but you can also stream YouTube and Twitch videos off this platform and earn cryptocurrency in the form of Bro coins. Earned Bro coins can be staked, as this is proof of stake coin. This means no miners and no power wastage. One can also run a masternode and earn some passive income. To run a masternode you need 2,500 Bro coins. Depending on the operating system you are using, you have Windows, Mac, and Linux wallets available to get started. You can also save your favorite stations with a click of a button and come back to it anytime. So, if you want to be part of this fantastic project and start earning some passive income, click on the link below this video to get started.